Alright, you guys. I'm driving right now. I'm going to get some at-home COVID tests. The fact that I was even able to find this, the lady called me back. Like, she literally called me back and was like, "We got a shipment." And I was like, "I'm coming right now." She put them on hold for me, so I'm so grateful. I just have to take a test before I get on this flight tomorrow to Nashville. So yeah, I am so happy. We got that faux flex. Shout out to Judy at the Walgreens. We got the test, yo. Listen, y'all, call first. Leave a phone number if you are looking for these. I didn't even leave a phone number and she called me back, but Judy, you a real one. God, you're a real one. He knew I was looking for these tests. All right, we're feeling good. COVID-19 at-home tests are a check. Okay, let's move forward. Okay, you guys, so it is the day I fly out for Nashville for my first destination wedding, travel wedding, whatever you want to call it. So I am just getting ready, gonna finish packing my things. A lot of things I'm learning, okay? If you're a makeup artist, photographer, whatever, like, and you work with traveling for your clients, it's just things that I now know. So, skincare lineup, it really is a Summer Fridays, even though it's not Friday. So I did the new eye cream, I did Summer Fridays Cloud Dew, mainly oil first before the Cloud Dew, which feels really nice on the skin. And then of course Summer Fridays Lip Butter Balm in vanilla. So yeah, skin looks nice, glowy, dewy. I'm gonna show you guys real quick my kit. Okay, let's talk about the fact that Nashville is gonna be 21 degrees. Why? Why? Tomorrow, 90% chance of snow in Nashville. It's really great, really great. Okay, so I got this kit. This is Revelair. No, Revelair or something. I bought this backpack so I would be able to just fit everything in it. Got some front zipper pockets here, which I just have some mini lip glosses, some puffs, and I also have some eye gels in here. These are the Boscia ones. They just sent these to me, so I'm gonna try these. Got little side pockets. I have some cards here if I wanted to put wipes here, which I'll probably pick up some wipes when we get there. So this side right here has a little charging port for the phone, which is cool. Another little zipper. It's got all these extra kind of clips and things, which just make sure the bag stays closed. This is actually going to be my personal item, and then I have a carry-on also too on the inside. So it's literally like a mini size of the big ones that I have. So I just took out everything that I know I'm going to use. I'm only doing 2 people. So I've got some of my foundations in here, some NARS, some Dior, I'm gonna silk in here, primers, moisturizers, got some beauty blenders, Swede Nikki makeup, individual lashes, that's what I used on the bride for the trial. Concealers in here, NARS Radiant Creamy Concealer, got some P. Louise bases, and then in here is just eyeshadows, some Natasha Denona. These are great for travel. So I have about 4 of these in here. I got my fan in here. I always use this to fan lashes or to fan my bride's after setting spray. Fenty bronzers. My Dior Backstage Glow palette. Yeah, so everything basically fits in here. All up here is some lip liners, eyeliners, tweezers. This is a facial razor, Sonic Smooth. I'll use this and bring this with me in case any of my brides got some facial hair. Q-tips, glue, mascara wands. So yeah, everything fits super easy in here. Yeah, I like how compact everything is. It's not too heavy either. So this will be perfect. This is going to be my little small backpack, and then my carry-on is right over here. I wanted to bring my light, but my light, of course, didn't fit in here. So what I did was I packed my light in here, put some blankets in here, and this is my Glam Core light that I'll be bringing with me. That fits perfect. I'm literally staying for tonight, which our flight arrives at 10, and then I'm staying until Friday. So this is my Glam Core mirror. I'm gonna pack this in here. Just some sweatpants. Been this so easy, like I don't even wanna have to think about it. I'm going to basically wear my outfit there that I'm gonna wear for the wedding. I normally dress in all black. Something comfy. It is cold in Tennessee though, so I'm gonna bring like a nice heavy jacket. That's how I'm packing my stuff. Literally 2 bags, that's it. And we're all set.
This is a last and final boarding opportunity.
The best.
On flight 525 with services to Fort
Look at that.
Lauderdale.
Like, why aren't these in New Jersey? We out here.
Out here on the spirit.
On the spirit.
Should we even say that?
They out here
No, because
inspecting
they
the
will
mess out of. No, I know.
that crap for these people. What is this statutory poop? We gonna need that.
No, it's not.
But you're 7-Eleven.
What is happening? Why is everything closed? Cute little room. As long as it's clean. Oh, the shower's nice.
I can't freeze.
No, I like it warm. I like it warm. All right, we just got here to the room. Everything was closed. Couldn't get no water. Couldn't get no water. We had to go through a McDonald's drive-thru just to get water, bro. And now tomorrow is supposed to be 100% chance of snow.
And sleep.
And sleet.
And rain.
And rain and ice. Yeah, tomorrow's gonna be fun. All right, we'll check in tomorrow. Peace. We'll see you in the morning. Wait.
No. Hello.
So, good morning. This is what's happening in Nashville, okay? This makes no sense. Do you see this?
But it's snowing.
Yo. Like
Snowing.
what
They
the?
didn't plow. They didn't salt.
That's what I'm saying. It makes no sense. Jersey, we would have saw trucks out,
Right.
salting,
And where are we? We're 20
plows ready to go at 4 a.m. Yeah, happy wedding day, Elaine.
We're gonna leave early, but
I have to leave at least an hour early.
who coming to our wedding?
I know, that's what I'm a little concerned about. We need to call the bride. Car all the way in the back. That's what next to the white one. We're not driving in this. We're going to have somebody take us to the venue because it's just not happening. Like, no, we don't have the right car, nothing. So we're gonna leave soon. And yeah, get this day started. This is how they shovel snow in Nashville. My dude has no jacket on. Yo, that's called commitment.
No, he gotta get a raise for this. Because he's about to get freaking pneumonia,
Yo.
frostbite.
Everybody wave hi, say hi. Look straight down. Look right back at me. How you feeling?
Good.
Good. Minus the snowstorm.
No, snowstorm. Everything's great.
Congratulations.
Thanks, girl.
You're welcome.
Yeah,
You gotta get ready, okay? Alright, y'all, we're back at the hotels. Finished. Everything went really well.
We didn't die.
We didn't die, yo. We got a ride there and back. We really didn't even have to rent a car. Still sitting out there.
Somebody got cleaned it off.
We gotta give somebody $5. We could get the guy with the cowboy boots.
Right.
The guy with the cowboy boots and no coat, no hat, no scarf, no gloves. He'll do it for us. We're about to order some food, chill for the rest of the day, and then we got an early flight in the morning. Our delicious meal that costs almost $30. Look at my pizza. The wings are good. Pizza burnt. So, stuck here in Nashville, day 2. No, day 3. We were supposed to fly out this morning, but because Jersey got snow, they canceled everything. So we will be getting food, just chilling, and we fly out tomorrow. So I'm gonna take you along. The car is snow free. The snow has subsided. Somewhat. We were gonna go to this vegan spot. The vegan spot closed. They scared. They've never seen this much snow. Y'all, it ain't even that much snow. Chipotle turtle. What's up, you guys? So we are finally leaving Nashville. It is 4 a.m. We're in the car. I'm just trying to warm this car up. Nashville, y'all on some other stuff. And this whole parking lot is not salted. It's extremely icy. I'm like, y'all gonna catch a... Hey, but y'all need to be out here salting. It's so wild. So, yeah. Yeah, so there were a couple things that should have been taken care of, that weren't taken care of, that I ended up having to take care of. We're just gonna talk about it. We're gonna get into the juice, okay? What's good, YouTube? Bri here. First destination wedding went really well. There were a lot of things that were unexpected and that happened during the trip that I just want to let you guys know to just really avoid, how to really plan and price your destination wedding. Just things that I'm learning, and I know that if you're a makeup artist and you're just getting into this, that you're gonna wanna know too. So number one, I think, is really calculating the cost of this trip. Flight, hotel, how do I get to and from the hotel, so travel, and food, okay? Those are really gonna be like my top four when you're calculating how much is this gonna cost, and then how much the bride is going to have to pay for. I told her, you know, make sure, you know, flights are covered, but realistically, it took about 20 minutes to get from the airport to the hotel. We ended up having to rent a car because where we were also too, wasn't a lot of Ubers, like transportation going on. So the cost of car rental ended up being $143, and then another $70 because our flight got canceled due to weather. So that's about $210 that I didn't even calculate for, and that would have been added on to the contract saying that, hey, you also have to pay for my travel, okay, for the flight. Now, this is something that I will say, make sure you are specific. Make sure you tell your bride or your client or whoever is hiring you out that the flight needs to include one personal bag and one carry-on. Booked with Spirit for us, and yes, they're cheaper flights, but I ended up having to come out of pocket $100 to bring my carry-on. So now we're at about $310 of an extra expense that came out of my pocket that I didn't account for, which that needs to be covered by your bride also too. Food needs to be added in there. We probably spent about, it was me and my hairstylist that came, at least I would say at least $30 per day for our meals, and that's would have been more, but everything was closed because there was a huge snowstorm and everything had to get changed, but everything was basically closed. So for food, I would say add on, depending on what area you're going to be in and how expensive that area is going to be, anywhere from $30 to $50 a day for the cost of food. Got there Wednesday night, we were there Thursday, we were there Friday, and we didn't fly out till Saturday morning. So at least that was probably an extra $60 on top of that. So now we're at $370 out of my pocket that I had to pay for. Then when I think about, I only did one person, and I think for me, doing a destination wedding, if I'm only doing one person, that's gotta double or the cost of what I normally charge. If it's a large bridal party and it's gonna make sense for me, then, you know, I'll keep the prices the same, but I only did one person and ended up coming out of pocket at least an extra $360. So yeah, it's just make sure, calculate all the costs, make sure you're very clear with your bride of the things that they need to cover, and just really make sure that it's worth your while. Make sure, okay, if I'm coming out here, it's got to be at least 2 people. If it's only one person, that doubles the cost. Like, you just communicate that with your clients and your brides and let them know, hey, if you want this, that's great, but it's got to be worth my while too, you know? So other than that, amazing experience, and I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure to thumbs it up. Let me know down in the comments below if you're digging the vlogs of like coming along with me for work and just seeing what it's like to be a freelance makeup artist. I will definitely be down to create more content, and yeah, happy new year, and I will see you in my next video. 2022 is gonna be a good one. All right, peace out, Cub Scouts.